People who hate your birthday. What ruins it? Last year was supposed to be my perfect birthday. I booked the restaurant, sent out invites, even ordered this ridiculously fancy cake that cost more than my weekly groceries. I was so excited. But the moment I posted my "It's my birthday" story, it started. One friend texted, "Must be nice to celebrate when some of us are broke." Another said they couldn't make it, but then I saw them tagged at another party that same night. At dinner, my coworker, who I barely invited, kept bringing up my age in the most passive-aggressive way. "Wow, you're already that old?" And the worst part? Someone accidentally dropped half the cake while serving it, then laughed like it was some hilarious joke. I went home that night, birthday makeup still on, scrolling through social media, and realizing how many people didn't even bother to say happy birthday. Not because they forgot, but because they just didn't want to. Now I wonder, was it jealousy, or do some people just hate when attention isn't on them? So tell me, what's the one thing that's ruined your birthday?